Welcome back, boys and girls. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Scotiabank. So Scotiabank is basically also known as Nova Scotia, so don't get confused if you guys hear the word Nova Scotia. Is the similar thing is basically a multinational bank located in Canada. It's located in various states of Canada, so if you guys have account in this bank you can access it from the place of other states of Canada as well where it has its branch, so it's pretty easy for you guys wherever you live in Canada, and there's other advantages as well. Just go to this website to know more about it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in interest Nova Scotia bank account. So let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. You have any question, drop it down in the comment. Let's move on, shall we? You want to source for Bank of Nova Scotia. After you do that, you want to click on Reserves Personal Banking Scotia Canada. Once you click on it, it's going to take it off your website. Once you're over there, you want to click on where it says Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, it's going to take you to the signing page of Scotiabank. Once you're over here, just enter your username or your card number, whichever thing you have, and then you want to enter the password of your account. After you do that, just want to click Get Signed In and you should be able to log in into your account. So that's basically how we guys can log in into Scotiabank account, or in another word, Nova Scotia. Hope you guys are able to understand. See you guys in our next video. Do like and subscribe.